Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. I am headed up to Western North Carolina to little Switzerland for a couple of days. We'll do some motorcycle riding and see some of the damage that was up there from the hurricane from last season. But in order to keep the analytics going for my channel, I needed to post something this morning. So here's a little 4-minute video of me ripping out a extruder from one of my P1Ss. It's not always rainbows and unicorns with these units, although printing with them is pretty nice. I really love my printers. But here's a quick teardown and put together. It's just a small piece of filament was still broke off inside of it. These can be a little bit tough to take apart the first time, especially getting the main yellow gear out from the ball bearing that's in the back of it. But once it's out one time, it usually tears down pretty quick. It takes me about 20 minutes to 25 minutes from tear down to put together, and that's including putting it back into the printer. So they're not really bad. They look more intimidating than they really are, but like I've said, once you've done them a couple times, it's nothing. So I do appreciate you taking a look. Like I said, it's only about 4 minutes. If you would give me a like, I'd appreciate it, and we'll talk to you guys on Sunday. Thanks, YouTube.